Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sarala. Welcome to Millet Magic. Vitamin D is formed in our body when we expose ourselves to the sun. But unfortunately, most of us fail to do so sufficiently, and in this current lifestyle, many of us are having vitamin D deficiency. While we will be talking more about this and other deficiencies in detail in another separate video, today we will be sharing with you a tasty recipe which is made with sun-dried mushrooms, the best natural source for vitamin D other than the sun. Even those of you who do not like to eat mushrooms will enjoy this dish because it isn't something you eat but rather it's something tasty to sip on. Cream of mushroom soup. And even if you don't have any deficiency, this is one creamy soup anyone will enjoy, especially on a rainy evening. So let's see what all you need to make cream of mushroom soup using sun-dried mushrooms. For this recipe, you will need about 25 grams of sun-dried mushroom, which is around 12 to 15 pieces. You'll need to soak them for 6 to 8 hours in fresh water. After soaking, they will swell up to about 175 grams. This quantity is sufficient to make 4 bowls of soup. You will also need around 2 medium-sized onions, roughly cut into pieces, 8 to 10 pods of garlic, finely chopped, 100 to 150 ml of coconut milk, salt to taste, some oregano and some pepper for seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of butter. You could replace this with any cooking oil if you want to keep it vegan. Now in a pan, heat some butter or oil. Once it is hot, add in the chopped onions and saute for a minute. The stalks of the mushroom take much longer to cook compared to the tops. So I have separated the stalks of the mushroom and I am going to add them in first to saute. Saute well for about 4 to 5 minutes. In spite of being cooked well for a long time, the stalks are often chewy and may not be liked by many people. The best part is that you do not need to waste these stalks and you can make cream of mushroom soup completely just with the stalk and use the mushroom tops in another dish like a curry. If you're going to be using the whole of the mushroom to make the soup, then at this stage add in the mushroom tops and saute for another 2 minutes. Then transfer the sauteed mushroom and onion onto a plate and allow them to cool completely. The next step is to transfer the sauteed onion and mushroom into a mixie jar. Now grind them together into a smooth paste. While grinding, you may add some water if required. Make sure that it is really smooth. The smoother the paste, the better the consistency of the soup. Now in another vessel, heat a teaspoon of butter. Add in the finely chopped garlic and saute until it turns golden. Then add in the ground mixture and give it a nice mix. Allow the paste to cook in the butter for a minute. Then add in water as required to get the desired consistency. You can check the consistency and add more water if required. Do not add too much water at once and make the soup too watery. It's best to add little by little until you get the required consistency. Cover with a lid and allow the soup to simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add in salt to taste, a teaspoon of pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Mix well together and again allow the soup to simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes with a closed lid. If you like, you could also add in some finely chopped pieces of sautéed mushroom tops into the soup. At the last stage, add in about 100 ml of coconut milk and your cream of mushroom soup is ready to be served. Transfer the soup into a bowl and serve with a dash of coconut milk and a pinch of pepper and oregano on the top. While experiencing the comfort and enjoying the taste of cream of mushroom soup, you're also getting the dose of vitamin D you require. Considering how tasty and healthy this dish is, we decided to post it on our channel, though it's not actually a millet recipe, hoping that you all enjoy the soup and its benefits. Happy cooking!